can smell some popcorn.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Villa here with Geobolt Gaming and with
And with
and and Night Neon.
what?
Yes, you're dead. Yes,
Man.
no.
Sniff, sniff.
Sniff, sniff. Man. The dark. So today we're playing the Darkest Souls.
Wait.
What?
Oh yeah, we're playing the Darkest Souls. So
Made
it's
by Cheetah.
You mean it's cheated?
Oh, it's Cheetah. I mean cheat or Cheetah.
Made by the Obsidian Gemstone.
But
Wait,
who
a
made
second.
it? Who made it?
Wait.
What?
I think. Okay, let's start.
Wait, let me grab a torch.
Are you ready?
I grab a torch.
Are you fucking ready?
I grab a torch.
Are you?
Okay, sometimes
Okay. Okay, let's start. Start now.
Wait.
What?
3. Okay.
What?
Let's start. Like fuck. Let's start.
Yeah, let's
Wait,
start.
who'll go first? This is
Me. I'll go first.
Okay, you're a brave soldier.
Yes, I'm a brave soldier. Goodbye, world. Oh,
Goodbye, fucking world.
dude, I missed. Okay, holy moly.
Oh, I thought it will count.
Oh, whoosh! Day one.
Day 1.
So oh wait, there's a sign.
So
Oh.
there's this secret passage here.
So that's why it's called the Dark
Okay,
Souls.
day 1. Let's
Day
get
one.
up, guys.
Day
Whoa,
1 torch.
there's trapdoor.
Where?
Here. Detective. Wait, move.
It says
Detective Rose. So
Here, sign.
I don't care about the signs. I
You,
wouldn't read
I've
it.
been
It's
researching
kinda
this
boring.
case for
Download
months.
it and difficulty
A solid
down.
little.
Slap.
Hey guys, there's armor.
Wait, save
Inside the
save us some.
Wait.
Let's read.
I'm not gonna take off any of the armor inside the chest.
Guys, read
So I'm
the.
just gonna get a steak. I mean sandwich. It's what's it named by the creator.
Hey, it says only put redstone torches on gold.
On
I
gold.
don't care.
Where's the redstone torches?
I don't know.
I think
Wait,
Okay, I'll
where's
go
the armor?
inside.
Where's the armor?
here in the side chest.
Okay, our objective is
What?
to find X. What the fuck?
XXX.
X file.
No, it's fuck. I think the owner of this map.
Oh, I took it. I took
So
the X file. I mean the file.
I have a bow right now.
Objective. Find X. XX. Find.
Wow.
Wait, that's the
I'm
name.
getting pretty lucky here.
Why are you lucky?
Wait. How can I be lucky if the difficulty is
Oh,
turned off?
I got steroids.
on.
I got steroids. A
This
gold.
stuff is for nothing.
Dude, I got steroids. The
Look,
gapple.
I'm a girl. It says a heroine spade.
I got gapple.
I'm a heroine shovel.
I got gapple.
Oh,
I also got an enchanted apple.
I have a confiscated cocaine. And I have evidence.
I have X file.
Oh, this supposed to be the block.
You got it? You got it?
How many X file will gather? I'm not sure.
Give us one. Where is it?
I think we need the
I've got
evidence.
one in my inventory.
What the fuck? All I got is an arrow.
I only got a gapple.
I
I
got
got both.
4 arrow, 1 bow, and 2 gapples.
No,
Apples?
you're not supposed to use that arrow.
Alright.
Oh, I
here's
got two
the X
arrows.
file. Who should I give this X file?
This,
to?
me, mine.
I have a heroine spoon.
Here.
Here.
It's a spoon? Wait, what?
So, I've gathered all items I could. So, here you go, Navilor.
Yes.
Okay, take it.
Wait,
Good.
you can put anything
So-
in there.
Access
Put
files.
all X files in here. Nope, don't try to put anything there.
Let's go.
Here I want. It could mess the game up.
How
Yeah.
about let's put some drugs?
Set
Nope.
time tonight.
Set time tonight.
Oh, it's already
Wait,
nighttime. You. Evidence leads
wait, I have evidence. I have
Shouldn't we
evidence.
turn
locked.
on the difficulty?
to find in way in.
Wait, I think I'm lagging.
You wait. So we're supposed to nothing. We're inside a
Yeah, I'm
place.
fucking lagging.
So there's a evidence leads here. Door is locked. I need
I'm
to find
fucking
a
lagging.
way in.
Oh wait. Here is the
Let's
way.
punch the door open.
No. Here. There's a way in.
Wait, I can
Like rock?
see anything. Look, I can see anything.
Dude, you're looking up.
Nope.
It's so dark.
You. What's is?
So I'll have to guess.
Dude, what is
Wait.
that smell?
Oh, that's why I'm outside.
Dude, what is
Wait,
that
how
smell?
can I go inside?
In the other side of the building.
Good thing you have a torch.
Oh yeah, me too.
Okay.
I got a torch. Hey, here.
Where did you get the torch, by the way?
We took it. We destroyed something. What's?
I kept hearing some.
It's a
dog
zombie.
growls. It's pretty weird.
Dude, the character smells something.
I'm lagging. Okay, now I'm not.
Holy.
Come on,
I'm
can you
lagging.
please give me torch?
Boom.
Fudge.
I need it.
No.
Why is there bunnies?
Where did the torch go?
There we go.
Did it went into my inventory?
No, it's mine. There, got it. Holy moly! What the?
Okay, these bunnies are making me,
Holy! Oh, I thought.
Okay.
There's a door.
Okay, I'm gonna kill those bunnies.
What is this place?
I need to fully check this place out. This place, dude, put some torch in it.
This place is
Wow.
pretty creepy.
Yeah, it's creeping me out too.
There's so many bunnies. Let's kill the bunnies.
No. They're too.
They're making me fucking laggy.
They're too cute. Oh, here. There's a way up. There's a way up.
Okay, fuck,
There's-
I'm lagging.
Oh no, I'm not.
I'm
There's
killing the bunnies.
there's no way up.
Nice kill. Kill.
Holy moly, dude.
Sorry, bunnies.
Dude, it's
I have to
freaking me
kill
out.
you for the sake of Neonite 1.
Nice, I'm not lagging anymore.
Dude, where should we go?
I don't know.
Where should
No,
we
I'm
go?
the one who's lagging.
Oh my.
Like what the fuck? Why
Dude.
are maps so laggy?
Dude, I am not lagging.
Okay, now I have food.
I think we should
The
parkour.
fuck? Where is it?
I think we should
I guess it's your
parkour.
mom's dick.
Should
Come on.
parkour.
Okay, stop being a perv.
Okay, kill bunny.
I just killed it.
Sorry. Dude, I made a bridge.
Wait, there's sign.
Is this a
I
parkour?
need to fully check this place.
Whoa, there's heads. There's heads and blood.
Please put a torch down.
Holy mo. Holy
So
moly.
yeah, it's a parkour.
What is this?
You should
shoulder?
call.
What the shit?
For backup.
Couldn't understand this.
Check the door,
Okay,
check the
I
door.
don't- I think we should pull
Holy
on
shit. My God.
redstone. Redstones?
What the fuck? I'm fucking lagging that I can even
I'm not sure.
parkour.
Okay, I'm gonna go like this.
I can even fucking parkour.
Holy. Dude, you got more. Dude, there's heads.
What is this place?
It's like a graveyard or
Do
something.
you still have a torch?
No, that's my last torch. Dude,
Okay.
this is too dark.
Wait,
Brains.
why are
It's
you?
creeping me out.
We're in a hurry to complete this.
Here, there's a way. Day 3. Dude, this day 3.
Is this a horror map or something?
Yes,
horror
it
map.
is.
Oh, there's.
I
so
think we
many
shouldn't
heads.
play horror map on
Hey,
it,
dude!
maybe.
The light
This
is flickering.
isn't scary enough.
It's flickering, man. It's flickering.
Where?
Come here. It's
Where are you
flickering.
guys? Where are you?
You need to go.
Where are you?
I have a redstone torch. It says place on gold.
Okay, now I see.
Where's the gold?
And wait, let me read
Oh,
this.
come on. It shouldn't be a maze.
Dude, why did you go in? We need to choose.
I'm weak at mazes.
We need. Holy, this maze.
Yep.
Dude, we need to
Which-
go separately.
Which is the one pretty.
Dude, it's flickering. Dude,
Just run.
dude, we
don't
need
like
to run.
mazes.
We need to run. We need to run.
It confuses me a lot.
It's too dark. It's too dark.
I think
Can't
we're
see.
gonna be murdered.
Do you have any torch?
I can't see anything.
Okay, I'm gonna cheat some torches.
Dude,
Don't
give us
cheat. Don't you dare cheat on
Okay,
us.
okay.
just 8 torches or 3 torches. It will make our marker. Yeah, it will make our marker. Give us torches, man.
Okay.
Just
Don't you dare cheat.
dude, we need torches to set markers. So it looks like we made it like that. Come on.
How many? 7?
8, make it 8.
Oh, it's 7. Yeah. There.
Okay, I can see a thing.
I'm just
Even
gonna follow you.
you
just gonna
guys
follow
can
you.
see a
Okay.
thing. Sorry about that.
So
Okay, I have a torch.
there's a gold block. Come here, Geo. There's a
Oh,
gold
come
block.
on, I told you guys you shouldn't cheat.
Do you
Here.
have a torch? Where's
Put-
the torch?
Yeah, Geo got it.
Yeah. Put it there. Put it there.
What should
Maybe
we
it's
do?
a fake one.
No, dude. I hear there's another gold. I think we should follow it.
I only have one redstone torch.
Fuck.
I need more. I found two.
Is this a
Or we.
This is a
wait,
big
there's a
problem.
head. There's a freaking head.
Where?
Here.
Let me see. Let me see. So
Okay,
Holy.
okay, I got another redstone torch.
Nice.
So where should I
Here,
take
here.
it again?
here again. I found two. I found two.
Here, follow us. Follow us.
There. Here first.
We're lacking.
Then here.
We are lacking of resources.
Yes.
There.
Here again. Geo,
Where?
come here. Follow Neon. I found.
I
There.
don't have any redstone torch anymore.
Mark this. Neon, mark this place.
Okay.
I have an evidence
Yeah.
Where do you mark it?
Yeah, there.
and the redstone.
Dude, find more gold blocks. I think we should follow it.
I'm confused.
Yeah. Did you find more?
How many redstone torch should we need?
Dude, where should we
just
go?
only have one redstone torch,
Dude, I'm fucking lost.
and there's 3 gold blocks.
Dude,
So
Neil,
it's pretty confusing to find out.
can
which
you
golden
give
block.
some torch?
So we put a redstone torch on it.
Hey.
What?
Do you guys have any stick?
No,
I could craft some.
I got no sticks, man. Guys, I'm back. It looks like Geoball got the exit.
Yeah.
So guys, I feel like a scumbag for
Okay, now
cheating.
I saw the.
So anyways, I'm pretty weak.
Wait,
at-
there's a button. It says slowly. Wait, let me see what's inside the
I'm
chest.
pretty
Sorry.
weak at mazes.
Saying, okay, it says slowly.
Sorry guys,
Sorry.
I cheated.
You,
Feel
slowly.
like a scumbag right
Whoa,
now.
why is it slowly? I gotta go fast. What are we supposed to
Whoa.
do?
Okay, what
Very
are we
pretty here.
supposed to do right
Holy
now?
moly.
I hope this is not a maze again.
There's more. Oh my. There are more.
Wait, there's
Heads.
blood
Yeah,
in the
go
head.
up. Turn difficulty up.
No, it says turn difficulty on.
Oh,
What's cocaine?
this says turn difficulty up.
Up. Yeah, we're
Okay.
supposed.
I think. What? Hard?
No.
Yep.
Easy. Put it in easy. I mean normal. Put it on normal.
Okay.
Hard, come on.
Come on, normal.
Turn on
Okay,
the
it's-
difficulty
it's
into a
normal.
hard mode.
Okay, nice.
So we won't look a bunch of noobs playing this game. Okay, oh come on.
Holy! Oh, is that a slither?
Good thing I have a golden apple.
I got a gapple. Dude, I can see. Dude, help.
I hope I can get a stone sword from him.
We got it.
Oh,
I
come
think
on.
that's the murderer.
Is that a murder? No, I think not.
Wait. It said, this sign says, you will never find me. I will never forgive you. Who
Who
the
you?
fuck are you? You don't want to know.
I think it's that we just
Who is X? The fuck? Sorry if we finished yet.
Who
Okay.
is X? Okay, guys.
So, shout out for shit.
Check out my YouTube channel. Shit.
Check out his YouTube channel
Yeah.
under the description down below.
Subscribe.
This video.
Put.
My YouTube
And
shit.
a shout out for the Obsidian Gemstone too. So I will put their channel link under the description down
Yeah, yeah.
below.
Yeah, guys.
So thanks for playing, they said
By
to us.
by
So
shit
this will be
gaming.
all for today.
Yeah.
So
So guys, it's the end of the map, so it looks like it's the end, yeah. So I have to say goodbye. Goodbye.